Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to make some fun charms. So I have these really cute mason jars and I thought we can make some fun drinks out of them. So here are the supplies that we'll be using. I have UV resin from Sophie Toffee. I have my UV lamp to cure the resin. We have some little fruit pieces. I'm also going to be using some epoxy tape. This one is from Hippie Crafter. It's UV and heat resistant and is 2 inches wide. This was sent to me to review, so thank you so much to Hippie Crafter. For colors, I'm going to be using Trex inks. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, these charms are open. So what we need to do is close off the back so that the resin doesn't leak out. This is where the epoxy tape comes in. I'm going to take our little mason jars and put them on top and press down on it firmly to make sure it's taped all the way around. I'm going to start with clear resin inside the jar, and then with a toothpick I'm going to add some color. And this is because I don't want to add too much color or otherwise it might not be see-through. So here we're going to add some fruits and also some ice cubes because this is a summer drink. And I'm going to do this with each of them. So we're going to start with just a clear, add some color, and then fill it up with some fruits and ice. This tape is actually really good. I don't see any leaking at all. Once all the jars are done, let's go ahead and cure it with a UV light. Next, let's fill in the lids. So taking some clear resin, I'm going to add some glitter to it. Then with a toothpick, we're going to carefully fill in the lid. Okay, let's go ahead and cure this. And then we're going to do this again with a dark purple glitter. Once again, we need to be very careful and drop in just a small amount of resin into the lid. Alright everyone, and we are done. So let's go ahead and peel this off the tape. Oh, this is so cool. The tape peels off really clean. So here it is. Here is our first drink. Here we have a little limeade. Let's take this one out. This one's kind of like a boba drink. Maybe like a strawberry boba drink. Here is another lemonade. This one is a dragon fruit strawberry drink, very similar to the one at Starbucks. And this last one is a strawberry kiwi. So I'm really impressed with this tape. As you can see, it peels off super clean, and while we're using it, the resin didn't leak at all. So what we can do now is dome the top. So some of these are not filled up to the top. You can just take the resin and just kind of fill it in. So one last thing I want to do is add some embellishments to the jar. So I have some little nail embellishments, and we can use these because they're very small. And what we're going to do is just to dip them in some resin and just stick them onto our jar. And once we're done, we're going to cure it once again using the UV light. Alright everyone, so here are the 5 mason jar drinks that we made today. Isn't this cool? Look at this. I love that it's transparent. You can see the ice cubes inside and also the little pieces of fruit. And I think these little embellishments really completed the look. So what do you think of my mason jars? Do you like them? Which one is your favorite? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!